A meeting between the government and the Harijan Panchayat Committee was held today, the 13th of April 2022, where discussions on the relocation of residents of MAWLONG had taken place. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG informed that the relocation of 342 households of MAWLONG will take place, though a specific location has not been named as yet. He further informed that the next meeting with the Harijan Panchayat Committee will be held on the 25th of April this year.
Today afternoon being the first meeting invited by the government to the committee of Harijan colony, I would like to inform you that the meeting went well, very productive meeting we had. And then from the government side, I have already told them very candidly that the relocation has to take place as per the recommendation made by the high-level committee, and then alternative places for them is also being considered by the government, where they can shift to, if not in one place, maybe to different places. So I've told them, see, you please take back this information to your community, discuss with them, and then please come back to the government. Because this is as per the indication made in the Honorable High Court. Even the Honorable High Court would like to see that settlement is happen at the earliest possible before they proceed for the cases. So therefore, I'm so happy today. The members, the chairman, the secretary, and another two members of the committee, they came and met me in the meeting. We have discussed openly, frankly. So now they will go back, and then another meeting we will have is fixed on the 25th of this month again, 3 o'clock in the same place. Yes, they are also happy, and they said that they'll go back and take the confidence and then the consent of each and every citizen who stays in that Harijan colony.